Let's write the letter ba in Arabic. On its own, it starts with a curl above the line, flattens itself on the line, curls back up, and the dot is here under it in the middle. Again, curl, flat on the line, curl it back up, and a dot under. At the beginning of the word, it becomes sharp. Sharp line, and the dot goes under this line here. Again, sharp line, and the dot goes under. In the middle of the word, it's going to look like this, but with a tail. So this is the tail, up, down, trace it back down, and put a dot under here. Again, tail, up, down, and the dot is here under this line. At the end of the word, it's going to look like this one, but again with a tail. So we start with a tail, we curl it up, bring it back and flatten it on the line, and a dot under. Again, tail, curl it up, and a dot here in the middle. Now, if we want to join them, we will need first the initial form of the ba, which is this one. We will need the middle form of the ba, and we will need the final form of the ba. So we will need this, and this. But am I going to join them by just elongating the tails like that? No, that would be wrong. What I need to do is start with the first one. I'm going to draw it again by removing my hand just to show you. And already the first letter is part of the second letter. So this is the tail of the first letter, but also the tail of the second ba. And I put a dot under. And this tail already is part of the third ba. And like that, I drew it. But I don't remove my hand. This was just to show you. You should do it without removing your hand. So this is 1, 2, and the third one is more curvy. And we put, in the end, the dots. Dot, dot, and dot. So this is how we write the letter ba in Arabic.